While there was some muted concern over Pacquiao's delayed arrival in Los Angeles to begin serious training for the Diaz fight, many had done what is done before: road work wherever he is in the Philippines and training at an available gym. On the day he left for Los Angeles last May 12, Pacquiao showed up at the Jerry Peñalosa gym at the Market Mall in Mandaluyong City and went through a complete routine watched by hundreds of fans who crowded outside to get a glimpse of their hero.
May dinner mamaya eh. Tama na. Meron sobrang mahina magkain.
To WBO bantamweight champion Peñalosa, Pacquiao was simply too fast and too strong for Diaz and would win by knockout after a few rounds.
Of course, makita natin si Manny nag-ensayo dito. Malaking tulong po yun sa gym ko. Parang masaya din po ako na binibisita niya ako na isa siyang Manny Pacquiao. Karangalan ko po.
Ikaw talaga, yun ang gusto ko, Jerry. You appreciate everything that Manny has done for you and for Philippine boxing. Tama.
Of course, Manny Pacquiao, alam natin Manny Pacquiao kung gaano kalaki ng natulong namin mga boksingero. Talaga, grabe. Wala pang nakabigay nan. So, lalong-lalo na sa Pilipinas. Nabigay niyang tulong niya sa atin mga Pilipino, napakalaki. So, ano man yung may mali siyang mga kunting nagawa, wala yan. Sana bigay niyang karangalan sa atin.
Okay. Now, itong laban ni Manny saka si David Diaz, anong tingin mo? Kasi alam mo si David Diaz, malaki mama, may kamay, palaging nandun. Anong tingin mo?
Diaz, matapang. Yun lang meron siya, tapang. Speed, power, saka yung style ni David Diaz, fit masyado sa style ni Manny. So, wala. Pero napakagandang laban. Lalo na mga start ng mga first round. Siguro magipaglaban pa yun mga before 4 rounds, gano'n. Pero after nun talagang wala na yun. Makita natin yung Manny Pacquiao magtaas ng kamay. Binibilangan ng mga Pilipino yung David Diaz.
Pero si David Diaz naman, may matibay. I mean, he can take a punch and get off the canvas. Trains very hard, is always there.
Tama. Siguro sa let's say stamina, hindi malulugi yung David Diaz. Dahil alam nga natin, last month pa lang nag-iensayo na. Pero hindi naman ginamin na mananalo sa dahil doon. Dahil alam naman natin si Manny, once na sa ring. Tsaka yung lakas talaga ni Manny, yun ang pinaka-factor sa laban. Dahil
Saka yung speed niya.
yung speed, at saka ang isa namang reason na mas sigurado ko si Manny ang mananalo dahil una-una, kung si DB Diaz napabagsak ni Morales, alam natin si Morales wala lang kalahati sa lakas ni Manny. So once si Manny ang magkatama ni DB Diaz, wala na, tapos na yung boxing. So at saka hindi siya ganun ka baga clever or ganun siya kabilis na hindi siya matatamaan. So yung right hook ni Manny, once na yun ang magkatama, wala na, tapos na.
Hindi ba left straight?
This time siguro yung left straight niya medyo tumatama pero hindi masyado. Hindi niya masyado kailangan dahil this time parehas lang southpaw. So yung right hook niya once na magtama, saka yun ang laging magtama. So once na yung magtama, wala na. Alam ko di kaya ni DB Diaz yun.
Pero Jerry, yung laban niya si Marquez, hindi ginamit yung right hook masyado, no?
Like nga sinabi ko dahil kanan po yung Marquez. At saka yung Marquez talagang binabantayan niya. Yung alam niya kung pero kahit anong banda niya natamaan pa rin siya, yun bumagsak siya. Saka ilang beses siya talagang groggy.
Okay, so you're predicting a knockout win by Pacquiao?
Not only win, a very impressive win. Less than 6 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4 out.
Watching her husband intently as he trained was charming Jinky Pacquiao, who, as always, expressed confidence in Manny's ability to prevail. She was probably even more impressed with the fact that Manny had changed his sometimes questionable lifestyle of late nights, cockfights, and pool halls, which you could only make life easier within the family. We joined ABS-CBN's Diane Castillejo in a conversation with Jinky Pacquiao.
Ano bang mga sinasabi ni Manny sa'yo about this fight?
Wala naman siyang sinasabi. Basta, pag nag-training kasi si Manny, kailangan 100%. So, kay Diaz, wala naman siyang sinasabi niya.
Napansin namin, like lately, no? Parang talagang super palagi ka nang kasama ni Manny. Ikaw na ata yung best friend niya ngayon.
Best friend niya. Kasi, he's a changed man now. So, pinag-usapan namin na mas maganda yung lagi kami magkasama, di ba? Parang, para maging closer pa kami. Mas maging closer sa isa't isa.
Talaga, mabait naman tao yan. Wala naman masamang intention maski anong ginawa niya. Para sa akin, I've known him from the time he's 15 or 16 years old. He's a good-hearted person. He's not a bad guy at all.
He's a good man talaga. Nobody's perfect naman. Kailangan mo lang siyang alalayan, suportahan para maalagaan yung relationship.